Hi there. In this video, I'll show you how to find your MacBook's serial number. Whether you're troubleshooting, checking warranty information, or just curious, this quick and easy process has you covered. Let's get started. For reference, I'm using Mac OS Sequoia, the latest version. If you're on an older version, the interface might look a little different, but the steps should still be similar. To find your MacBook's serial number, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select About This Mac. It's the first option. A new window will open, providing an overview of your MacBook's details. Look for the serial number, located near the bottom of this window. It's the second to last piece of information listed. You can either highlight and copy the serial number using Command+C to save it to your clipboard, or, if you prefer, simply write it down. And that's it. You've successfully found your MacBook's serial number. If this video helped you out, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more MacBook guides and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.